was a court case like few ever in Metro Detroit. A person charged with murder, even though the victim's body was never found. Presiding over the case, the Honorable Judge Vonda Evans.
Nobody ever saw baby Bianca killed. Nobody ever recovered the body. This is what we call circumstantial evidence. Evidence which you can infer the existence of something else.
In her first public interview on the disappearance of Bianca Jones, Judge Evans tells us she was surprised there was a guilty verdict.
I was very surprised. This is probably the only case that I've had as a judge or as a prosecutor, which is in excess of 26 years combined, where there was a conviction that I knew of or that I was involved in without a body.
Police say DeAndre Lane killed his daughter. She wet the bed and DeAndre spanked her with a punishment stick. According to the testimony,
everyone in the house hears this horrific screaming, this crying after there's a beating. He then is in the front room with his nephew. He goes to check on baby Bianca. He brings baby Bianca back into the living room where the nephew is. He remembered that baby Bianca was alive. And I said, well, how did he know? He said, well, her eyes was wide open. She kept looking and she was stinking. He starts trying to stand her up, almost as using her as a prop to say she's alive.
DeAndre says on that morning, December 2nd, 2011, he was carjacked and his baby Bianca was taken along with the car. There wasn't much evidence and no eyewitnesses. 3 witnesses have said they saw Bianca alive after police say she was killed. So how was DeAndre Lane convicted? The key? Police brought in a cadaver dog who sniffed the crime scene and barked, indicating the presence of a dead body.
These dogs that were used in order to find baby Bianca were very instrumental. They were taken to a house on Montgomery. Of 10 rooms in the house, it went straight to the bedroom. The car was held in an impound area. There were 35 cars. It went straight to that car, back seat, as well as the car seat was hidden at that location. The dogs went straight to where the car seat was hidden. So these cadaver dogs were very, very useful. When you talk about a circumstantial case, this is textbook.
Judge Evans' job is to remain impartial. Looking back, she believes the jury got it right.
Obviously, this was a very emotional case. There wasn't a lot to work with. In my mind, I was concerned that despite the evidence, there's no body, no physical body. Does this jury, lay people, have the training and really the courage to do the right thing? Well, they did. And DeAndre Lane was convicted of first-degree murder.
Bianca's mother, Bianca Jones, still believes her daughter is alive. She passes out this age progression photo of what Bianca would look like today at age 8, hoping the community will continue looking for her. The judge feels terrible for the mother.
There was no doubt in my mind she loved her child, but she loved DeAndre, and she wanted to believe what he said. I wish I was wrong. I wish that one day they find someone that met the description of baby Bianca and she's alive. I would love to be wrong. I don't think that's going to happen in this particular matter.
Judge Evans says she learned something from every trial, and what sticks with her on this one is the way Detroit came together to try and find justice for baby Bianca.
Baby Bianca symbolized to me a community coming together, an urban community coming together. See, it didn't matter that she was a little black girl. What mattered was a child was dead, and the community was concerned.